In this video, I'm going to explain how you can connect Webflow to Shopify and vice versa. So for this, we will use Zapier.com, which basically creates zaps, which are triggers and effects. So right here, I'm on Zapier.com and we want to either sign up or log in. The process is super simple. I'm just going to click on login here, continue with Google. I'll just choose one of my Google accounts and then continue, granted permission. It's completely safe and it's going to look like this. You can also create a new account, which is super simple. Now, once we're taken to this page, we want to click on create here and you will see Zaps automated workflows. Now, right here, it's going to look like this. We will have a trigger and an action, like I said. So first we want to select trigger. And from this menu, we can either search for Shopify or Webflow. So first I'll do Webflow, which is going to look like this. And I'm going to select Webflow. And now we have to select the event. So what is going to happen? So either we can use this trigger for form submissions, for new orders, or for updated orders. So for example, let's say somebody creates a new order from Webflow. Then I'm going to click on continue here. And it will ask us to connect our Webflow account right here. So we're just going to click on sign in and you want to follow the prompts right here. And we want to select our workspace and we will authorize the app right here. So now we have connected Webflow to this trigger. Now we will click on continue and what is going to happen? So right here we can set the other fields. So what is going to happen? But what I'm going to do next is click on action here. And this time we want to search for Shopify. So you will see Shopify Premium, and if we select it, as you can see now, the trigger is Webflow and the action is going to be Shopify. Now, what is going to happen here? So from the event page, we will select what is actually going to happen once somebody places a new order from Webflow. So we can create a new order here from our Shopify or on our Shopify web store, and we can also use all of these different features as well. But since I made it for a new order here in Webflow, then I will create an order on Shopify as well. So both of the criteria here match. So I'm going to click on continue, and again, it is going to ask us to sign in into our Shopify account this time. So it's going to look like this, and you just want to follow the authentication process here. So you are able to authenticate your Shopify account. Now, once you have connected your account here, then you will just click on continue and this will create or connect Webflow to Shopify. So in our case, if somebody creates an order on Webflow, this will create an order on Shopify as well, and you will have successfully linked Shopify to Webflow and vice versa. So I hope this helps you out. I hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.